power of levels again. 29, 660, 720 zone. I have told you several times, watch out for these levels. And US100 11, 480, 520. Watch out for these levels. In last 3 days, we have seen it, both these indices getting reversed from the same levels, precisely achieving the same. Now what can be expected today? Whether we can expect a drop or we can expect a more rise. Which position you should take, we will define the strategy with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment, and do press the bell icon. First we'll look into NASDAQ100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end and do listen to it carefully and note down the levels. Now these are the hourly charts. You can find out 11,500 it tried to breach. Very strong resistance. In fact 11,550 has been achieved. Now it is trying to look forward to a drop. So yes, if it trades below 11,450 you can again sell there. Expect 11,400 to provide a good support, and below that you can expect 11,350, 300 and below levels. So be watchful of 11,450. You can sell there. Expect it to drop a little till towards 11,420, 400, and see if it breaks below 11,300 today, consider that as again a bearish move, and then 11,200 and minus levels can be seen. The directional movement so far on the hourly charts is bullish. It may try to converge a bit. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is willing to converge here and cross over for a sell. The RSI is also looking at a high. On the 2-hour charts, you can find out two candles, highs and lows, both alike. Now it has to just breach past any of these levels. Once it trades below or above, definitely you can expect a certain bullish move. On the larger side, you can expect that 11,520. If it breaks, you can again expect 11,550. So just to say 11,450 and 550, do not trade. I will say that for these 100 points, avoid the trade. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic has seen a high looking downwards from here. The MACD is willing to converge. The RSI is also near to top. Likewise on the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour chart. The new candle is yet to start. Previous two candles, higher lows, lower highs, and that is why I say in between 11,450 and 11,550 do not trade. Yes, beyond 11,500, yes, you can expect a little rise, but let's be cautious and do not trade between 11,450 550 levels. The directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is near to top. And if you look at the 4-hour charts here, on the 4-hour charts, this is indicative of a reversal here. Yes, if you see it trading below 11,450, consider this for a good drop. Then you can expect 11,400, 360, 350 and then 300 levels. Very strong support at 11,300. Below 300, you can again expect that it will resume the bearishness. Then you can expect, we are looking forward to 11,200, 11,100 and below 11,000 levels. The directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you can find higher highs, lower lows precisely. And now the pivot, if you look, is around 11,300, 11,280 zone. These two levels you should watch out for. Any drop below 11,300 or 280, you should consider that as a bearish move, and then again it will resume the bearish trend, and that is what we can say. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards from the bottom there. The MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a buy, and RSI is trading comfortable. Yes, you can sell below 11,450 and expect it to drop on the upside. Be cautious of 11,550 and then you can expect 11,600. Yes, you can buy there at 11,500, 520 levels. Expect it to rise for 11,550, and if it trades beyond 11,550, 11,600 cannot be denied. On the downside, sell at 11,450. Expect 400, 350 and 300. Till 300, it has got very strong support. Watch out for the level 11,280 and 300 on the downside. If it breaks any of this, definitely it will sustain a strong bearishness, and then you can expect that it is going to crash further. The directional movement is bearish, and we have seen the indicators already. So considering this, buy at 11,500, and rather I will say buy at 11,520, but expect 11,550 and 600 as a very strong resistance, and sell at 11,450. In between these 70 points, 11,450 to 11,520, do not trade and just watch. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, If you want to earn the profits, you can join my mentorship batch, become an independent trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, on the hourly charts for US30, you can see it tried to achieve 29,800 and now again getting the resistance at 29,720 for the day. So remember, I have told you several times, 29,600 to 720, you have to be watchful and see it is again coming back to these levels. Now if you see it trading below 29,620, you can sell there, expect 29,550, and then below that you can expect a little more drop for 29,500. If it drops below 29,500, certainly 29,400 cannot be denied. The strongest support for it lies here at 29,300 levels. Now see why 29,300. If you see yesterday's drop, 28,820. If you see the rise, 29,800, 1000 points of move. The pivot is at 29,300. So only and only if it draws below 29,300, consider that as a bearish move. Else its tendency for it to come back till towards 29,300 is there. Yes, you can sell there at 29,620. Expect it to drop for 29,550, 500, 400, 300 is there. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is bullish, but it is willing to converge. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see, after looking at a wall, it is giving you a breakout. This time this may continue. This may take it till towards 29,500, 29,450, 400. In fact, till towards 29,300. Very strong support exists at 29,300 and 200 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is at high, looking downwards from here. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge, and the RSI is looking downwards from here. Same is the story on the 3-hour charts. It is looking forward to a drop, giving you a breakout. Yes, you can sell here at 29,620. Expect 29,500, 400 levels, at least 300 levels. Yes, it can retrace till there, and any drop, any rise above 29,720, you can go for a buy. In between 29,620 and 720, do not trade. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought, looking forward to a drop. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, this is signaling a reversal. Once it draws below this zone at 29,600, certainly you can expect 29,400 to be there, and then below that we can expect 29,300 levels, which is going to be a good support. If it draws below 29,300, consider it drop for a 29,200 and below levels. Directional movement has crossed over for a bullish move. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, you will observe that it is trying to reverse a bit. Possibility exists that 29,400, 500 levels can be seen, and in fact it can come back till towards 29,300. Even if it is bullish, it can come back to these levels and then shoot out from there. 30,000 levels is going to be the resistance level there on the upside. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is bouncing back from the bottom there, oversold zone. The MACD is trying to converge. The RSI is trading flat. Considering this, you can buy there at 29,720, sell there at 29,620, and below 29,600 you can expect it to drop for 29,550, 500, 400, 300. 300 and 200, this is going to be the stronger support zone. If it breaks below this zone, definitely you can expect a stronger fall. On the upside, buy at 29,720, expect it to rise for 29,800, 29,900 levels, and beyond that we can see 30,050 and 30,200 levels also. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, join my Telegram channel. Reach out to me for more details, and just if you want to support the effort, you can become a patron, and the patron page site link, my personal email ID, my Telegram ID and Telegram channel links, all are mentioned in the channel and video description. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.